Hi, Derek Alba here with Elite 3 Pro. We're here at the TOLA Expo event in Dallas, Texas. I'm here with Todd Wilson from JL Audio. He's got some really exciting products to show you today. Todd, thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting our region. I'm a huge fan of JL Audio products. I actually have some
We
JL Audios
appreciate that.
myself. So what do you have here today?
Well, I'll tell you, we have the whole family here from our Fathom, Dominion, and ESUB solutions, but thought we might focus on maybe something that's really kind of exciting right now in the industry with so much in-wall and in-ceiling product and the lack of good bass performance in that category. We worked for several years to engineer something that would be a real in-wall subwoofer to give you room, sub-bass performance for those media rooms, distributed audio zones. They can really properly pressurize the room and give a really good experience. So if we can put a purpose-built subwoofer like our in-wall 8-inch sub here, now it's less about the bass and more about pressurizing the room properly and makes everything else sound better at lower volume. Subwoofers, they're bass, but if they're used properly, then they should supplement the overall experience and they shouldn't be a detractor. So that's why we came up with this. And our solution, we have an in-wall version, we have an in-ceiling version. They're tuned exactly alike. So you could have an in-ceiling in one part of the room and an in-wall in the other part of the room, and they'll work fine together. You can do it in a single configuration, or you could do it in a dual configuration, which is perfect for a nice sized media room. It's got a very small paintable 10-inch flat grill that could go at the side of the room, give a really good experience with some premium end walls and give somebody a nice 2-1, 3-1 theater experience in a media room. So a lot of wide applications, distributed audio, media rooms, and everything else. This comes with the amplifier, comes with an electronic crossover. It is a Fathom class product, so it has our digital auto room optimization, which is really important for bass equalization. It helps eliminate nodes in the room, so you get a broader bass foundation in the room. So not just one good sweet spot, but the whole room sounds better. So that's built in, and it comes with that as part of the package. It's $2,400 retail. Nice healthy margins for our dealers. So we want to make sure that everybody makes some money. We get that product, get it in, give it a try. You'll be very pleasantly pleased.
Well, thanks again, Todd, for being here today and supporting us. We love your products. I know you will too. If you ever want to seek more information on these products, you can certainly contact us at Elite 3 Pro. And thanks again for being here.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me.